So this is exactly what my mill is going to look like when it's all done. It's got the... Is this a... Yeah, this is identical. It's a 3-bearing mandrel. The same as mine. Actually, it's like a 4-bearing. They have a pillar back there, but it's got... Mine's a 3-bearing mandrel, just the same. Their track is longer, or their carriage is longer. They have a four head block. Oh, the nifty old logging tools up there. Old steam engine. You know, like, so if I bought one of these and tried using it, you can get in trouble because you have to be like a boiler maker to run these things or something like that. That's why people don't use them nowadays. This is what I was told. I don't know how true that is. But I mean, like, obviously, if it's your own personal toy on your property, not much I can say to you about that. They're running that thing with old flathead. Crazy transmission get up on the back of it.